Welcome to our 3D embroidery tutorial. Today we will show you how to use 3D Bodybuilder foam to create stylish reliefs with your embroidery machine. Prepare all necessary materials. Start by hooping the fabric and backing together. Place the hooped fabric in your machine and sew the design outlines directly onto the fabric. Then cut a piece of Bodybuilder larger than the design. Apply a small amount of adhesive spray and attach the foam to the fabric. Fix the foam with zigzag stitches, then embroider the entire design with satin stitches. For a 40-weight thread, double the stitch density for the 3D parts. Tear away any excess foam and carefully remove any smaller parts with something sharp, like a needle, scissors, or tweezers. Poke in any small pieces of foam that are sticking out under the embroidery. Alternatively, you could use a heat gun to shrink foam into the design. Find this and more videos at www.madeira.com/bestpractice.